Hallo, hallo, ich bin's schon wieder. And now what we're going to do is we're going to look at higher numbers. So making the teens, yeah? So 13, 14, 15, 16, etc. And in German, we do that by adding 10. So if we've got 13, we know what the number for 3 is. So 3 plus 10 is 310 or 13. What do you reckon that is in German? 3 and 10. 3 plus 10 ist 13. 13. Say it, guys, 13. Okay, let's have a look at these numbers then. We've got 11 and 12, 11 and 12, and then we've got 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Let's say that again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then we've got 20 is a different word, zwanzig. So have a look at these numbers. 13, 310, 14, 410, 15, 510. Here, it's a little bit different, because if you remember the number for 6 is sechs. So as you can see, we've taken away the S there. So it's 16. And the same here, we've taken part of the letter sieben away, En. So instead of 17, it's 17. And then it goes back to normal, 18, 19. And then we've got 20. So let's do that again. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Cool. Write those down in your exercise book. Now we're going to have a look at here. Wie viele. Wie viele means how many. So what I want you to do is write the little heading penguins. Wie viele? How many penguins? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 12. There are 12. So write the number 12 and write it as a word. 12. Okay. And we've got more penguins. And here, how many have we got here? Remember, you can pause this video while you're writing things down. Oh, how many here? And here, you can just put many, many. So if wie viele is how many, how would you write many? And then we've got saying your age. Wie alt bist du? Wie alt bist du? How old are you? This guy here is 4. Ich bin 4 Jahre alt. All right? What I want you to do is write down the heading as a question. Wie alt bist du? And then what I want you to do is write how old you are. So you'd have Ich bin, then the number Jahre alt. So for instance, I'd put Ich bin 20 Jahre alt. Yeah? You agree with that? Cool. Okay. Bis zum nächsten Mal. Tschüss.